Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Apple Pay saying your payment was declined even though you have money in your account? This is usually not an Apple Pay problem at all. Here's what's actually causing it and how to fix it. First, open the wallet app and then tap on the card that was declined. Then, check if it shows any warning things like verify card or card got suspended. If you see verify card, tap it and follow these steps to verify with your bank. Usually, they'll send a code to your phone. If the card looks like fine in wallet, then the decline is coming from your bank, not Apple Pay. Call the number on the back of your physical card or open your bank app and check if there are any alerts or frauds hold on your account. Banks sometimes block Apple Pay transactions automatically when they detect unusual activity. Also, try switching to a different card in your wallet. Open wallet and then tap a different card and try the payment again. If a different card works, the problem is definitely with the declined card's bank. So all you gotta do is check your card and wallet for warnings, verify if needed, call your bank about holds or switch to a different card. Payment will go through. And that's it. Subscribe for more Apple Pay fixes.